This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. I'm going to show you how to easily create an effective 3D pop-out effect. For your convenience, I provided this image we'll use to pop out of the phone screen, as well as an image that we'll use for the pop-out itself. Their links are in my video's description or project files. The first step is to create a selection of the smartphone screen. Since the screen is a solid gray tone, we'll use the Magic Wand tool to isolate that tone from the rest of the image. For the sample size, choose 11 by 11 average. This averages the pixels within a given area. Set the tolerance to 30. This determines the range of color selected. A lower number selects fewer similar colors, while a higher number selects a wider range. Make sure contiguous is checked so the pixels within the phone screen are selected. If it's unchecked, similar colors throughout the entire image will be selected, even outside the screen. Click anywhere inside the screen to make the selection. To check it, press Q on your keyboard to view it as a quick mask. Press Q again to return to the selection. Save the selection by going to Select and Save Selection. Then press Enter or Return or click OK. Deselect it by pressing Ctrl or Command D. Open the spaceship image. We'll make a selection of the spaceship by clicking Select Subject at the top. Copy the spaceship inside the selection to its own layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. We'll place both layers onto the phone image by clicking the lock icon next to the background to unlock it, and shift-clicking the top layer to make it active as well. Press V to open the Move tool. Before moving the layers, make sure Auto Select is not checked. This ensures both layers move together. Drag the layers onto the tab of the phone image, and without releasing your mouse or pen, drag down onto the phone and release. Place both layers into a folder by pressing Ctrl or Command G. Open the Channels panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and Channels. Ctrl or Command click the thumbnail of Alpha 1 to convert its shape into a selection. This is the selection we saved earlier. Open the Layers panel and click the Layer Mask icon to create a layer mask of the selection next to the folder. The white area of the layer mask reveals the images inside the folder, while the black area hides the rest. Click the chain link icon to unlink the folder and the layer mask. Now we can resize and position the spaceship images inside the folder while the layer mask remains in place. Click the folder to make it active, and press Ctrl or Command T to open the Transform tool. Position it inside the screen, noting the parts of the spaceship that will extend past the screen. To resize it, go to a corner and press and hold Alt or Option as you drag it in or out. Then press Enter or Return. Open the folder and Ctrl or Command click the spaceship to select its shape. Make the layer mask active. If your foreground and background colors aren't black and white, press D. We want white as the foreground color. If white is set as the background color, press X to swap them. Open the Pencil tool and the pencil picker. Set a relatively large size and the hardness to 100%. Choose a hard round point. Set the opacity to 100% and the smoothing to 0. Brush inside the selection to reveal the spaceship. Then deselect it by pressing Ctrl or Command D. This is Marty from Photoshop Art House. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time.